thing I always had an issue with, well, it's not that I had an issue with, it's just kind of a minor inconvenience, is the fact that Plarail for most, in fact, I only think there's one Plarail Thomas that actually has a front coupling. Um, None of them have a front coupling, and I suck at modifications. The only modifications I know how to do are this, where you paint the engine block black. But I actually found a way to couple stuff up to the front in a pretty convincing way, to where you would have to look very closely to notice it. So I thought I'd show it off. Okay, all you're going to need for this is one Plarail engine or whatever. One thing that you want to couple the front of to. I'm going to use Annie in this case. Well, I'm going to use Annie and Clarabelle, but... And a single red rainbow loom band. If you go to, like, a hobby store or a craft store, they have a crap load of these. Rainbow loom was this trend, like, 9 years ago, where you'd make rubber band bracelets. Anyway, all you do is you take the engine, and then loop the band around the buffers, and then you hook it onto... You hook it onto one of the loops. I typically do the bottom. And now, not only is it coupled up, but it's pretty strong. So as you can see here, I have a little setup. Yes, I know Thomas is technically a push-pull, but for this case, we're just going to have him pull this. As you can see, he goes up the hill very smoothly, and you barely notice that there's that rubber band on there. And if we do something like this, as you can see, the coupling is still there, still coupled. So yeah, I thought I would just show that off to any Plarail fans out there, because I found it to be pretty cool.